So we would train them in a particular way for the kind of conversations they'd have at university or at TAFE or in the working environment, get them to use their disposable time in a particular way, and they're very, very mission-oriented. Part of that comes, of course, through the pulpit ministry, but part of it comes through just modelling and example and illustration, and they have models who may copy, and we try to make those models as visible as we can to them. Similar thing for our morning congregations, who really are the Gen X or the boomers. You do want to be able to illustrate for them and train them and help them think through, how do I initiate a conversation if it's difficult? What are the skills that help a person to do that? What in essence makes a good conversational partner? And so, we've thought through some of those things and run those kind of training courses, but we've also developed people who, it's not just me, we want to develop a whole team of trainers.
Yep. Other things that lose momentum or dissipate momentum?
Yeah, I think the reality is you need to recognise that developing friendships takes time. So, there are various levels of friends that you have. There's the friend who, God forbid, doesn't know you're a Christian, and you want to change that. There's the friend who does know you're a Christian, but you haven't had ever any conversation about that. There's the friend who knows you're a Christian, you've had some minor conversation, you've had the extended conversation with another, you've had a deep conversation where there have been questions. That whole process of making new friendships takes time, and so you need to recognise that'll be the case. Maturing Christians so they've got enough confidence and conviction to engage in gospel conversations takes time. So we need to do that with our new converts and help them engage with their old friends from the earliest days they're converted. But it does take time. Things get old and tired, and they need to be repotted or recast. So, in time, the things we do